This is a rather beautiful antique painted pine wardrobe. This one dates from the mid 1800s and it's probably painted at that time, possibly as a wedding present, and it's got some nice floral painting, as you can see. It sits on block feet down the bottom, and again very pretty painted panels. The overall colour is a green. Now this one doesn't completely dismantle like a lot of ours do, it actually sort of splits in two. So if you can see here, that's where it comes into two. So it will partly dismantle. Lovely original lock with a big key, and the doors have French style external hinges, so they do open fully wide. Again, original catches there. So there's your interior. It does, if you can see them, just have some old wooden hanging pegs at the top and on the sides in the middle. Now we can put a brand new brass hanging rail in here. Alternatively, we could put in some shelves if you wanted to use this as a cupboard. Now the drawers, there are two drawers with old original metal ring handles, and again they're painted. Now you can actually lock the drawers. There's a little mechanism here which pulls up a wooden peg, which allows you, I can do it one-handed, that allows you to, and you can see the peg drops in there to lock the drawers. So if you lock the main cupboard door, you can lock the drawers as well. So they both do that. The code for this one is K6008I, and the price is £1,750. It's 76.5 inches high, it's 66.5 inches wide. The external depth is 21 inches and the internal depth is just 17.5 inches, so not the deepest, but a lovely thing nonetheless.